Horses out here, Born Free, pass to begin and on the outside. Second is Boogie Wonderland, Valentine Rose. Then followed by Ideal View, Admiral Contender in Pipa, Elena Spiller. Then followed over by number 5, Federer. And too far behind the Storm Signal, we are Born Free, Bioraling Kanehapa. Valentine Rose is running by the second, alongside third, Boogie Wonderland. Then followed over by Ideal View in fourth, Admiral Contender in fifth, Elena Spiller. And it's still Born Free by about 2 lengths. Valentine Rose now trying to get closer in second, alongside third, Boogie Wonderland as they come down at the last 150. And it's still Born Free by about 2 lengths. Boogie Wonderland is on the outside second, Valentine Rose. But it's still Born Free, and on the outside is Boogie Wonderland. Born Free, Boogie Wonderland is on the outside. And finally, Born Free, Boogie Wonderland. Then comes Valentine Rose, number 9, Ideal View, Admiral Contender, Elena Spiller, Federer, and Storm Signal.
Second choice in the